Hello, everyone. Here is Mark from Thailand. Today, may I introduce the applications, the brand new Uranian Astrology Plus for Windows 10. This application you may download and install from Microsoft Store directly to your desktop PC. The outlook of the application is like this. It has many functions that support, especially for the Uranian astrologer, starting from the chat data. You can select dial for 360 degree, 90 degree, 45, and so on. You can select which the factors you want to use. Set for the off for single factor, I mean A, or the off for midpoint A/B. And for the sensitive points, A plus B minus C, for example. And you can select whether to show the astrology chart, radix only, radix and transits, radix and solar arcs. In Thailand, we use solar arcs, directs, and converse. We call V1 and V2. And the last one that I most use is the radix V1, V2, and transits. A lot of functions to set the axis and have tools to analyze the chart together with utilities for many functions. So I invite you to install and try by yourselves. I welcome the feedback to improve this application to fit the English speaking world. Thank you very much.